All right, let's look at this following word problem. All right, it said that Kieran has 27 nickels and the quarters in his pocket, worth a total of $2.75. Then we want to know the number of nickels, which is N, and then also the number of quarters, which is Q. All right, so let's do that. All right, so if you look at the, knowing that we have a total of 27 coins, right? So we have this equality. So first equation would be, so you have if you add the number of nickels and also you add the number of quarters, and then we're going to have 27 of them, right? So that's from here, right? Then it says that the worth a total of $2.25, so 275 cents. So which means that so each nickel is worth 5 cents. So we do 5 cents times the number of nickels, and then quarter is 25 cents. And then you have Q of those, and then total is going to be 275 because we are just counting cents, right? So we have this system of two linear equations in Q, N and Q. All right, so let's solve this. Right, so first, I don't like big numbers, and it looks like 5, 25, 275, all multiples 5. So I would actually divide everyone by 5. So here, I'm going to go here, divide everyone by 5. So 5n divided by 5 is just n. And then 25q divided by 5 is actually just a 5q, and that is equal to, and the 275 divided by 5 is, let's say, 27. You can put the 5 fives in 5 fives in there, so which is 25. So another 5, so it's a 55. Right, and I'm going to just simply bring this first equation over, so that it lines up nicely. So I'm going to actually put it in a different place, right? I'm going to actually bring this guy over here, so that we have n plus q is equal to 27. All right. So we have two equations and we have two unknowns, and first motivation is to eliminate one of the unknown. So in this case, I'm going to eliminate n by simply subtracting this second equation from the first. So subtracting. All right, so n minus n is going to be 0. And 5q minus q is going to give you 4q, and which is going to be equal to 55 minus 27 is going to be what? So you have to subtract. 5 minus 7, so borrow 1, so it's going to be 8 here. So it's going to be 4 minus 2, so it's a 28. All right. Then we can get rid of 4 in front. So we can simply divide through by 4 to isolate q. Right? So 28 divided by 4 is 7. Right? Right? So we got 7. Q value is 7. Right? Then we have n value. So we want to find the n value, but easy equation to work with, very first equation. So I'm going to plug 7 into the first equation here, right? And that way, I'm going to go up here. So you have n plus, all right, q is already 7, right? So is equal to 27, right? Then we can simply shove 7 over to the other side by subtracting 7. So n is going to be equal to 27 minus 7 is 20, right? So we're going to have 20 nickels and 7 quarters, right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.